Usually we hear humble statements from others such as, "I'm always learning." "I learn something new every day." Or "I didn't know that about that particular subject." Or they have an open mind and they want to grow and nurture the spirit and feed their mind with knowledge and understanding. This is what the Proverbs are saying. Again, as we emphasize the purpose of the Proverbs, they are good for instruction, for spiritual teaching, and eventually knowledge and understanding, which equals wisdom. It is good for the simple. It gives them prudence, and it is good for the young people so that they can make better decisions now and not have to suffer so much later. And of course, suffering is necessary for us to gather spiritual strength